Hello guys, Public has grown into a social-first investing app that blends community engagement with straightforward stock investing. In 2025, it's ideal for investors who want to learn, share, and grow their portfolios alongside others. Public offers commission-free trading of stocks and ETFs, making it accessible for beginners and casual investors. The app's simple order process helps user invest confidently without worrying about fee eating into returns. Now, Public's standout feature is its social feed, where users can follow investors, share insights, and discuss market trends. This transparency helps build confidence and creates a collaborative investing environment, perfect for those who want to learn from community. Also, investors can buy fractional shares, allowing them to start with as little as a few dollars. This lowers the barrier to entry and lets users build diversified portfolios even with limited funds. Also, Public offers curated themes portfolios that aligns with social causes such as sustainability and diversity. This lets investors put their money where their values are, supporting companies that make a positive impact. Also, there's no account minimums and transferring funds in and out is straightforward. The app supports linking multiple bank accounts, ensuring flexibility and ease of access. Public employs industry standard encryption, two-factor authentication, and biometric login options to keep users' accounts secure, and privacy policies ensures that your financial and personal data are well protected. So Public is perfect for investors seeking a social, transparent, and beginner-friendly way to enter the stock market. In 2025, it continues to foster a sense of community while delivering solid investing tools for those who want to grow their wealth with purpose. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.